What's up, guys? Like my shirt?
I always like Star Wars. My girlfriend got it for me from Goodwill.
We love a good deal. Mighty Force be with you. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another Market Mondays. And before I get into it, this is my 4th Market Monday video, meaning that's a month's worth of Market Mondays. So for everybody who's been there with me, thank you. That's pretty awesome. So today's top pick for Market Mondays is Walmart. And considering it's a big corporation, I also want to say on the other end, support small and local businesses when you can. So for the last few months, e-commerce has been booming. So considering our situation where we have to stay at home and encourage social distancing, people have taken more time to get their needs met by online shopping. So when you know it, Walmart has decided to release a new platform. It's called the Walmart Plus. And this is a $98 subscription for a year, which will include unlimited grocery deliveries and other items, as well as exclusive deals and discounts on Walmart gas. And when I first heard this, I thought, wow, Amazon got somebody else to compete with. Most of the time when someone wants to order something, they go on Amazon, and now another subscription base to compete with Amazon's subscription base. And then I thought, well, it is competing with Amazon, but not really. You see, Amazon focuses more on different items that you may need around the house, and Walmart main focus is groceries. Amazon does have its Whole Foods and its pantry, but you have to spend at least $35 in order to get the items. And these items do not include fresh foods. Not to mention that Whole Foods is more expensive than Walmart. So Walmart has a huge opportunity here to fill a gap between online services for fresh food. I mean, when I really think about it, I don't think there's really any platforms out there where you can order some lettuce or tomatoes and get it in the same day delivered to your house. And also, Walmart has the opportunity to capitalize on this because unlike Amazon, Walmart has brick and mortars pretty much everywhere. So when you need something, you can just go to Walmart and get it, and or Walmart deliver it to you. Also, Walmart has curbside pickup. So if you need some things, you can just go online and check out and then just pull up to a Walmart curbside pickup and they'll just bring your groceries out there to you. Next, Walmart is going to be partnering with Shopify. And for those who don't know, Shopify is kind of like a e-commerce for small businesses. If you ever shopped on Amazon, you sometimes come into contact with third-party sellers. And to me, when I get a third-party seller, I get kind of ominous because I'm like, I don't really know who this person is. Is this really an affiliate with Amazon or not? Did they really vet this person? I don't know. But if you go to Walmart with this new partnership, you'll actually have that third-party seller and you can go to their Shopify website, which usually Shopify websites look pretty cool. So it makes you feel like you have more of a connection with that company. And this works for both sides. So Shopify gets this huge clientele list that Shopify will have opportunity to sell to, but also on the other end, Walmart will be able to have customer satisfaction on a greater scale because you have all these different shops with different items and also all of the logistics behind it. To kind of put it more in perspective, I ordered a Tesla hat last week, and guess where I ordered it from? You guessed it, Amazon. But when I take that same search and go to Walmart, the only thing I can really find is Tesla Hot Wheels. And don't get me wrong, Tesla Hot Wheels is pretty cool. I didn't know they made those. And I almost bought one, but I didn't. But I thought about it. Also, Walmart is planning on opening up driving theaters for their parking lots. And lastly, we have to think about the entry point. So Walmart is at $130 compared to Amazon's $3,000 entry point. So it may be a little out of some people's budget, especially is out of my budget. And as I said earlier, that Amazon and Walmart is kind of in competition together, but they're not the same. So it's not going to necessarily affect Amazon's price point, but I believe that since Walmart is taking this big corporation and marrying it to e-commerce, it's an opportunity for it to grow with all these different online services. Speaking of online services, a lot of different services that you have to sign up for. I mean, you already have Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus and Amazon, and now you want to add on another one. It may be a little bit overwhelming, but like I said, Walmart is the only person that's actually focused on groceries. So it may actually fit into someone's budget as opposed to 3 different services all doing the same thing in Disney Plus, Netflix, and Hulu. You have groceries, which nobody else is really competing with. And also with the platform of Walmart Plus, they mentioned adding on streaming services. So Go figure. But all in all, that is my Market Monday pick for today. Let me know in the comments if you think Walmart is a good buy, or if you're thinking about buying any other stock like Target or even Amazon itself. And as usual, the weekly disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, just a guy with a camera and a spare bedroom that he calls a YouTube studio. If you like this video, please pay me that sweet, sweet currency I like to call the like button. And lastly, if you want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. So until next week, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.